everyone, factory update. We're in the EcoPod and things are really coming together for the details. This is the sink area for the bathroom, and here we have the shower. So the shower is really starting to come together. This is going to be the glass. It's actually polycarbonate material. It's curved, so we have a nice gentle curve going all the way around. That's basically the same curve going around the whole pod. And we have a nice, big enough walkway to be comfortable to walk through. So this is not going to be this frosted color. We just have to take a protective film off of this, so we're leaving it there for now. You guys can go through if you want. So yeah, we wanted to have a nice big area so you can be in the shower and have a beautiful view. But also, if you want to have a privacy area, you can have a frosted area to whatever level you are comfortable with. So it depends on the person. We're leaving it open so it is available to use however you want. You have some really cool things we're working on for the shower. So this will be the sink area. There's going to be one large sink in here. Maybe two, I'm not sure at this point. I think we decided on one. There's not going to be a back area, so we wanted that specifically so you'll be able to see out, because the beautiful thing about being on the water is, of course, like I'm always saying, is you want to have these beautiful views. You want to be able to see the water everywhere you are. So we'll have a small little mirror so you'll be able to like adjust it very easily if you want to do your makeup or something while you're over the sink. But you also turn around and you have a full mirror behind you, which is also the bathroom door. So I think it's a pretty good size area for your kitchen, for your bathroom sink. Also, this was actually a little bit higher originally, and we cut it down so it's lower because once again, we don't want to ruin the views. We want to be able to be in bed and still have a really nice view out. So now if you're in bed, this does cut off your view a little bit, but it's not too bad. We also don't want this too low. So I think this is about the right place for it to be.